This video will give you an honest opinion about the GIGABYTE Gaming A16 laptop. I have provided the link to this gaming laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. The GIGABYTE Gaming A16 is a solid machine built to handle demanding gaming and productivity tasks. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H and paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, it delivers smooth gameplay and great graphics performance. The 32GB DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz means multitasking is a breeze, and with 1TB of fast PCIe Gen4 NVMe storage, loading times and file transfers are quick. One of the highlights of this laptop is its 16-inch 1610 WUXGA display, which offers a sharp 1920 by 1200 resolution at a smooth 165Hz refresh rate. This makes games look crisp and fluid, and the slightly taller aspect ratio is great for productivity as well. However, the display has a 45% NTSC color gamut and 300 nits brightness, which means colors might not be as vibrant as some higher-end gaming laptops, and outdoor visibility could be limited. Audio is enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology with built-in dual 2W speakers and a microphone, providing decent sound quality for gaming and calls. The laptop offers a good selection of ports including HDMI 2.1, USB Type-A and Type-C with DisplayPort and power delivery support, and Ethernet, which is perfect for gamers who want a wired connection. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed and the inclusion of Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures fast and stable wireless connectivity. On the downside, the laptop's design in black steel is understated but not very flashy, which may or may not appeal to gamers looking for a bold look. Also, while the RTX 5070 GPU is powerful, it sits in the mid-range of the RTX 50 series, so it may struggle with the most demanding AAA titles at ultra settings. Battery life is average for a gaming laptop, so you'll want to keep the charger handy during long gaming sessions. Overall, the GIGABYTE Gaming A16 offers a strong balance of power, display quality, and expandability at a competitive price point. It's well suited for gamers who want a reliable laptop that handles both gaming and everyday tasks well, but don't necessarily need the highest tier specs or flashy design. If you want solid performance with plenty of RAM and storage, and a smooth display for gaming, this laptop is definitely worth considering.